Elena adds a sample of 50 cubic centimeter of hydrochloric acid, one comma of concentration of 1,0 mole per dm cube. The hydrochloric acid is in excess. So Elena of adds a sample of calcium carbonate 2 to 50 cubic centimeter. I-concentration yakhona 1,0 mole per dm cube. Now sebeyasitshela ukuthi u-HCl in excess. Now they say the excess hydrochloric acid is neutralized by 28 cubic centimeter of 0,5 of sodium hydroxide. So 28,0 cubic centimeter, concentration yakhona 0,5 mole per dm cube. So into esiyinikeziwe la guys, sekuthiwa calculate the mass of calcium carbonate. Sitholela i-mass ka-calcium carbonate ereactile. So since siyazi ukuthi u-HCl in excess, kusho ukuthi u-calcium carbonate ube-limiting reagent uzoreactor wonke. Thina-ke into esingayenza singa-calculate ama-number of moles ka-HCl initial ukuthi bemangaki. Siyazi ukuthi ngeke reactor wonke, ngeke senze njalo mashinyana. So si-calculate ama-number of moles kabani ka-HCl initial. Sothi CV concentration ubani concentration 1,0 times 50 times 10 to the power of -3. Sithola ama-number of moles akhona 1 times 50 times 10 to the power of -3. So ama-number of moles angapha u-0,05 mole. Ama-number of moles esinawo initial ka-HCl engaka-react. Kwawukuthi u-HCl mningi kulo 0,5 kukhona ama-number of moles angezoku-react. Lawo ma-number of moles asalile sawathatha sawa-neutralizer noma sawa-reactisa no-NaOH. Sesifuna ukuthola ukuthi abe mangaki lama-number of moles asalile a-reactisa no-NaOH. Yingakho sesizo-calculate ama-number of moles kabani ka-NaOH. Sothi-ke number of moles of NaOH is equal to CV 0,5 times i-volume bani 28 times 10 to the power of -3. So sothi 0,5 times 28 times 10 to the power of -3. 0,014 mole. Yes, 0, so lawa ma-number of moles ka-NaOH a-reacte no-HCl. Ususebenzisa isitoichiometry sothi HCl is to bani is to NaOH. Sothi 1 is to 1. Sothi 0,014 is to 0,014. Shuthi ama-number of moles ka-HCl abesalile yiwo wona lawa. Yilawa abe in excess lawa. Athathwa azoreactisa nobani no-NaOH. Initial nawa ya initial. Sesifuna ukubona ukuthi ku-reacte ama-number of moles amangaka HCl naloya calcium carbonate. Sesizothi N reacted is equal to N initial minus n excess. Initial 0,05 reactor mangaki jala in excess asalile areactisa no-NaOH 0,014. So ku-reactor mangaki 0,05 minus 0,014 ku-reactor ama-number of moles amangaki ku-reactor 0,036 mole. So ama-number of moles kabani lawaya ka-HCl areactile. Mase sinama-number of moles a-HCl areactile na-CaCO3 sesingathola-ke isitokiyometri. Sesingathi ngicela ukubhala ngokhala ohlukile ngibhale nje khona la. Sesingasho sithi CaCO3 o-reacte no-HCl isitokiyometri besithi 1:2. Ku-reacte ama-number of moles amangaki ka-HCl u-reacte no-0,36 lana u-X. Then we can solve X 0,036 can divide by 2. X wethu uzolingana ubani? So ama-number of moles calcium carbonate bekuwa u-0,018 mole. So ama-number of moles ka-calcium carbonate lawaya. So bona bafunanga ama-number of moles ka-calcium carbonate. So initial ama-number of moles ka-calcium carbonate yilawo areacte no-HCl aphela. Bona bafunanga kodwa lokho bafuna i-mass. So sifanele sikalkulate i-mass ka-calcium carbonate. U-calcium ubani? U-40 plus 12 plus 16. 16 times 3. So 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. That is 100 grams per mole. Masufuna-ke i-mass uzothi number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. Number of moles 0,018 is equal to i-mass, molar mass ubani 100. I-mass ka-calcium carbonate ekugcineni times 0,018. I-mass ubani 1,8 grams. So iyona mass-ke lena ka-calcium carbonate ereacte no-HCl. So le calculation siyibiza ngokuthi i-back titration. La khona u-HCl emningi ereacta nobani no-calcium carbonate. Lo HCl omningi kukhona ozo-reacta khona ongezuku-reacta. So sisuke sinikeze nayo information initial. Sicalculate ukuthi besi-non-initial. Bese kuthi lo HCl osalile uyathathwa azo-reacta no-OH. So ukuze sikwazi ukuthola ukuthi ungakanani u-HCl osalile, kufanele sithole ama-number of moles walo areacte naye oku-NaOH. Siwathathe siwalethe ngapha bese sithola ama-number of moles ka-HCl abe in excess asalile. Sinawo ama-number of moles lapha ka-HCl initially sinawo asalile. Sithatha lawaya sisubtracta lawa wala sithole lawa reactile. Mase sinalawa reactile sesiyakwazi ukwenza isitokiyometri ngalawa reactile no-CaCO3 bese sithola ama-number of moles ka-CaCO3. Sikalkulate i-molar mass yakhe, sikalkulate i-mass yakhe. Ileyo nto leyo-ke eyenzakalayo in this case.